welcome back to the channel. Something new for the new year. So just before Christmas I got an offer basically to take on a boat for practically nothing. One of those too good to be true type deals. When I first looked at the boat, when I first saw the boat, it's a boat I am semi-familiar with. I have, in the line of my work, I have seen this boat several times, been on board a couple of times as well, so I'm relatively clued up on the general condition of the boat. It's in poor condition is the simplest way of putting it. It's been sat on its mooring, which is a mud mooring, so it's sitting in the mud for at least 12 hours of it every day. It's been there for at least two and a half years without any kind of care or maintenance on it. So yes, it's a risk, but the price is just so phenomenal that it's worth taking the risk. And even if it doesn't work out, then yeah, I can flog off the parts and get a good return on investment. So simplest task for today is I'm going to pick up a boat. I got the keys last night. I'm going to move the boat across to its new mooring, and then from there it's going to be moved off the mooring and onto the slipway trolley. The slipway trolley itself is basically manually operated. We're going to put it out on the slipway at the harbour board, and from there it will be my first opportunity to see just how bad it is underneath, and then work out exactly what my plan of action is going to be over the coming weeks and months. So as you can see, the general condition was quite poor insofar as lots of barnacles, lots of weed growth on the underside. However, after just the first clean, it's come up very, very well. Got rid of those barnacles and found out there is actually still a relatively stable anti-foul coat underneath. So the next job will be completely clean the underside, completely clean the drive legs. As you saw, the drive legs are in okay condition. Still a lot of barnacles on them. Propellers are freely rotating stainless steel propellers, which I wasn't expecting. And as we can see on that port side drive unit has had some repair work done to it. It's a very nice, neat, very professional weld has been put in there with a skeg has obviously been damaged at some point. Quite common really in shallow waters. Doesn't take much for that to happen. So as I say quite clearly, that weld has been done very, very well, very professionally. I'm happy with the quality of that. And if that is an indication of the type of maintenance that has gone into this, haven't got any maintenance provenance of the boat, but if that is the kind of indication of what has been done, then again,